gonna make a puppet made of salt. And here are the materials we're gonna use. But before we open that, let us show you our first puppet. Wow! So this was made by me. Just a little problem. But it's time to make our own. The materials we're gonna need are yarn. This is yarn. A googly eyes. A glue. That's not a real glue. That's a super glue. Here. A googly eyes or a button. Glue. Actually, it's red marker. Yes. And this is for the yarn. This. The permanent marker. A scissors. A sock. The one button. And of course, the ruler we're gonna size for the yarn. And most importantly, the sock. And we have these things to make their mouths. So, let's start! Yeah! Now let's get our socks. Here's the socks. Socky. Now, first thing we're gonna do is take their mouths. Mouths. And then we should really not put it in here because it's for the arms. You should put it in the middle. You know, middle. Just kidding. That's so funny. We better put it in the middle because if not, it will not look good. So let's put it in the middle. There, the middle. And second step, we put our hands through. Yes. Put our hands. And that'll line their mouths. Now, second step, let us make her tongue or hand, of course. What are you gonna make? A male or a female? This or this? Yeah, Pop, you better put your hands through first, like me. Or else it won't look better. Okay. And you know what? I'm gonna help her. This is a little hard, difficult thing to do because my hands are in the socks. Okay, there. Now let's try it. Let's show the view. Viewers. It works. The mouth works. Now let's make her or his tongue. We're gonna make an oval line. A little bigger. And then let's color it with red marker. I have never practiced right hand before. Look at mine. It's not good. Oh, poor me. Okay, I'm ready for this. Did you color your tongue? Here. Do you need the red marker? Yes. Okay, and next part we take our hands off. Well, we better not take whatever. Next step is, are you gonna use the eyes? Yes. Next step, what are you gonna choose? Oh yeah, googly eyes. I'm gonna choose this one. And if we want it to stick, we better not put it in the socks, in the eyes, of course. He's gonna use glue and I'm gonna use super glue. I think it's stuck. Look your hair. No! Not the googly eyes. Yeah, that's mine, remember? Oh yeah, this is yours. That's full of glue. Yes, the super glue. The super glue. Now, let's try to put our hands through and really be gentle. Really gently. And then put our hands out then. And then up next time, where's the googly eyes I got? Oh, here it is. Here's the first googly eyes. You can put it wherever we want. Now we should be careful using hot glue. Super glue. It might stick on your hand or something. Where can we put this? Let's just use our hands. This is getting difficult. Oh, here's an idea. Well, we better be careful not to spill it. Yona, careful! You better be careful, and the super glue might stick on you. Oh, this is gonna be hard, guys. Guys, look like styling for this. There, I got it, and finally for the hardest part, got it to where the eye should be. And this. Whew, I thought this was going to be difficult. Something else. Here's a really good idea. Oh, let's put that there. Huh. I think I'm gonna use this instead. Excuse me. And then let's rock. This thing is seriously rock. Let's try to be gentle. We don't want the super glue to spill everywhere. No, let's be. Oh, we don't get out of there. This is super dangerous. Well, a little dangerous. I'd say inside. There, I thought it was gonna spill everywhere. Now time! to make her hair. Awesome. Ugh. These two are not good. We have a long yarn, but it's not gonna be long anymore because we're just gonna make it a little more big. Can I borrow that? Nope. Why can't I borrow it? I'm just gonna take a bit bigger. What do you mean by that? Seriously? I'm serious. Where is the scissors? Thanks, Yona. You're welcome. Oh, I think I got that super long. Well, that's okay because we're just gonna make it tiny this time. I think I took a lot. Next step, we don't want the yarn to get out, so let's take a small yarn. This one's a little big, so let's cut it in half. And half like this. That should be ow! Why ow? Because you did and put them here. Why shh? Quiet. Well, we better focus on what we're doing. He's right. Yes. I already did it. Now let's cut it. We want it to be extra good. So let's just really be patient. Okay. Can I borrow that for just for a sec? Okay, you can borrow it now. Wait a minute. I guess having a one scissors was hard. Okay, let's see if that worked. Yep, it worked out great. Yep, this one is gonna be perfect. But before I do that, I really need some help from a paper. Okay? I think this is perfect. There! This is mine. Oh my gosh. This one's so cute. It's so good. Well, let's get back to focusing. Well, I do need some helper here. But I guess you don't want to be a helper. Let's keep going. Where we was. What's that? This is going to be harder than I thought. Now, we better hurry up. We don't want to forget our night out. Oh. It doesn't go out.
A few moments later.
little more. There.
A few inches later.
What that noise? I got the first hand. Then all we need is to paint on us.
Much later.
Right, guys, if you want to join to us, you can join us. That's so sweet all the day. Just click on the bell button and like.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Almost done. The googly eyes is really. That's so sweet. Hello. That's so funny. And silly. So really. Any more? And this one is mine. It's so sticky. Sticking. Almost done. And I love you guys. That video is all for like. If you want to do it too, wait for the next channel. Sorry.
One eternity later.
And guys, it's so tired for this. We're almost done and we can say bye. I just need a bit more. I'm done. Can you show them? Put your hands in. It's been all thirsty. This. Show them. Show them your puppet. I bet they can't wait to see your puppet.
Natanggal yung hair.
Oh, that's really... Just say, it's really naughty, Mommy. That's old bud. Right at I said. I said. No, better cut the excess.
Oh, try your puppet na. Hello.
Hello, Big Dada.
What is the name of your puppet?
It's Cupcake.
Cupcake?
Yes. Our name is Cupcake. Cupcake. It's eating all. The next puppet will be the puppet show. You can see it. But what's your puppet show? Oh? Hey, you listen. Okay then. And I'm ready. I got her hand. Yum, 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 yum. Wow! Videos. I can play this to the snow. It's very malapit ng Christmas. Now, if you have a puppet, you better not take this out.
Oh, show your puppet na.
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay,
Yum, yum,
close
yum,
up.
yum, yum, yum.
Is it done? All done?
Yeah!
Okay.
Bye! Bye! See you in our next puppet! And that will be the puppet show. See you guys! Bye! Like and subscribe! I love